how you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling and you an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one, as you can see, this is an AI influencer powered by AI and has over 300k of followers. That means real people follow her, and as you can see here, we have a lot of pictures with a lot of likes, comments. So you can create yours. That means you can create your AI influencer and get your money. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. A lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first tip you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. So don't worry, you don't have actually to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool and can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose the one you want, and then you can read, for example, before signing up, the website to more. Not actually the website, the options that has the website, for example, use cases, features, resources, company, pricing, to more understand how and here we have a lot of information that you can get to more understand how the website works. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find the AI avatar explaining something. So the same thing you can do to your video. So this you can use this AI character and then you choose your topic whatever you want, whatever you have in your content on your YouTube channel, and then you can publish it on your YouTube channel. As you can see here, we have a lot of AI influencers explain something. And this is it. So the only thing you have to do is sign up by entering your email, and then you can enter your code verification, and you'll answer for a few questions. Then you will get to your account. I mean, to the homepage. So as you can see here we have a lot of videos as I mentioned, and here we have AI avatar, so we can choose the AI you want and then you can start with. So let's go to the home page. So this is my recent creations. As you can see, if we scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. So you can learn a lot of information about AI Studio, how it works. The same thing for video avatar and for AI voice, for video translation. If we scroll down, you can find templates. So you will find the various templates that you can use to. So you'll find various templates. As you can see here, we have a lot of AI characters explain a specific topic. So you can choose the one you want and then you can start your template. If we more scroll down, you'll find avatars. So as you can see, if you want to create your video, your own video to start with, and YouTube channel using this AI character, so you can just go over here and then you'll go to studio avatar, then you'll find here a lot of AI character as you can see. So let's choose for example this one. Here we have this three dot. If you want to edit avatar, get avatar, and here if you want to create your video, you can just go to landscape. If you want to start with YouTube channel, and here we have the description, the way in long sleeves, so you can click over here and go to landscape. It will lead you to this page. And as you can see here, we have a lot of options. This is our AI character, so you can change the place if you want to put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. If you want to zoom it too, so it you can do the thing that you look or that you think is good. And here we have the animation, so you can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave. And this is the script, so you can edit your script uh, by, for example, adding a script about a specific topic that suits your content, and then you can edit another one. So here we have, if you want to add a pause between this script, so you can, it will be, maybe it will be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more, so it's depend on what you want. Here we have, if you want to add a recording, so you can just click over here to start. And finally, if you want to upload audio, so if you find some difficulties about creating scripts, you can just go over here and start creating your script by using help of GPT script writer. So all you have to do is write your topic, what is about, and GPT script writer will help you. And then we have here, if you want to translate your script. Here we have the voices. So there's a lot of voices, a lot of type of voices. As you can see, natural voice, explainer voice, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and this is the languages. So you can choose which language you want, and you're gonna start with. And the gender too, the age. Here we have a lot of various ages. If you want a child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and this is the function. So you can use which function you want, and then you can get started. So this all the or all these options help you to get your video more professional and ready to publish it on your YouTube channel by clicking on submit. And then you gonna start earning money by, for example, starting a content. For example, let's say that you can start as an affiliate marketing. True, platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships. Affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide like this channel. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining the topic. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two ways are just example. There's a lot of ways that you can use this AI influencer to get your money easily. As I mentioned, you can create this video guide and script him. You can use help. For example, you can use ChatGPT to script him. And as you can see, AI influencers make things more easy, and you can work, as I mentioned, easily, and you will not have any issues about starting with various ways to earning money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.